Hi, we got some incredible updates from the open network today. Let's dive in. Here's what's happening. The grind never stops with Tong's momentum soaring in May. Major progress has been made across DeFi, NFTs, payments, and Telegram native assets. Here's what made headlines. First up, earn in Telegram. USDE stablecoins now earn up to 18% APY via Tong wallets. For more information on USDE and its integration with Tong, you can check out the Tong blog. Next, Gold-backed assets. XAUT0 goes live providing one-to-one backing with Swiss Vaulted Gold. We have some big hires here at Tong Foundation. We are thrilled to welcome Martin Masser, formerly the Chief Business Development Officer at StoneFi, as our new Head of Growth, and Nicola Plakas, who brings extensive experience as former Visa executive, joins us as VP of Payments. For our Builders Welcome, the new Tong Builders portal offers funding and growth tools. Now for institutions plugin. Tongcoin has been added to the Fonte Capital Regulated Fund, and a whopping $1 million in MEXC rewards are now live. This aligns with the growing Tong interest in the UAE, where the Tongcoin DLT Foundation is based, and follows Tether's recent UAE Dirham Peg stablecoin launch on the Tong network. DeFi growth. Torch finances TGUSD driving a 5-time TVL surge, StoneFi jumping 30% to 65 million, Trador doubling to 4.5 million, and yields hitting 57% on Tongco and 27% on Stormtrade. In the world of NFTs and games, Snoop Dogg's Telegram debut drew 1,500 plus fan gifts. Pudgy Penguin's Pengu Clash launched on Tong with 2 million plus waitlist users, and Notcoin hit 1 year with 2.8 million holders and $1 billion plus DEX volume. Pengu Clash, part of the expanding Pudgy Penguins universe, focuses on scale, competition, and real rewards, joining the play-to-win model on the Tong blockchain. The play-to-win model is emerging as a sustainable model for Web3 gaming, leveraging Tong's blockchain and its powerful ecosystem to create innovative, community-driven tournaments and prize pools. For global payments, USDT Tong expands across Africa, Latin America, Asia, and Europe. And info upgrades, Tong Keeper Pro on iOS, MyTong Wallet upgrades, TOL Case RC release, GetGems NFT features, and Ads Gram monetization tools make their mark. TongKeeper Pro is designed for users needing more control, flexibility, and security when managing digital assets. MyTong Wallet's version 3.6 update allows users to view any wallet address and track Tongcoin activity directly in the app. You can get all the details on May's ecosystem update at the Tong blog. Moving on, we are proud to spotlight two outstanding leaders whose dedication has been instrumental in driving growth across the Tong network. First, Anthony Tsivarev has been appointed Vice President of Ecosystem Development. His strategic vision and tireless efforts have significantly accelerated the adoption and expansion of Tong's ecosystem. Second, Alena Shmalko is now the Director of Ecosystem Success. Her deep understanding of the community and developer needs has been key in fostering long-term ecosystem health and user satisfaction. Please join us in celebrating their well-deserved promotions. Give them a round of applause and congratulations as they continue their open network journey. That's a wrap for today's updates. The network keeps growing and we're here to cover it all. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.